Hello guys, welcome to some Minecraft PE, and this is my server. We made this server, and this dragon killer, he subbed me, and she is my friend. Okay, so nice house. This aloha is very nice. Very nice. Good job. And this is my server. I have 3 accounts. The one is orchiddraws@gmail.com. This is my server that adriangaming@gmail.com. This is my server. Okay. If you guys enjoy, please sure leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you appreciate. I really appreciate you sub me. So okay, let's get started. Dragon Killers 56. This is gonna be just ordinary house. Aloha Shaina. Join the game. Is that Jamie? You? Baby Jamie. Are you? What? Whoa, she's grew up fast. What? What? Oh, wrong spelling. What? Wrong spelling. Sorry, guys. What? So, we can make this, and I'm gonna show you how to make custom ranks and like that. And you need a custom rank in Elite CC. So you need to chat groups, and you see that blue, all registered group guests, members, builders, mod admin, and you want. Okay, so set groups for, and Alter 88, that's my name, and you want to go owner, and it's unknown command because I'm an owner, now. So I will make aloha. Yes, I'm recording. And baby Sabrina, baby. Okay, so set group baby Sabrina team, make a Oh no. Now add babies group. Hey, don't punch. Don't punch sub. Don't punch. Hey, don't punch. Aloha. Hey, aloha. 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 So, China left. And that was it, guys. Oh no. We're gonna be right back for a minute. Okay guys, we're back now. So please sure leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you want. I will appreciate if you subscribe that, and we see you all guys later.